Is it easy to test? Is it easy to reuse? Is it easy to maintain? Although it is easy to create for the first time, it is a straightforward implementation, very simple implementation. Just give it a thought. We will be discussing it in a couple of seconds. So this is your class. This is the line where you are using the algorithm, one algorithm out of several algorithms. You can develop that particular portion inside this class, or we have developed it in our example outside of this class as a separate class calculate. Or it can be a separate package altogether where you can have your class, or you can have a separate module as a jar where you can have this class, right? Now in our current example that we just saw, if you need to add one more algorithm, what you have to do? Suppose we have two calculations, addition and multiplication. Now we need to add another algorithm for subtraction. So you need to modify this particular code that you developed in a separate class or as a separate module or as a separate package. So your actual code needs to be modified. So it is not that easy to expand. Now when we come to testing, as you are modifying your actual code that has all the algorithms, you need to test each and everything, right? Easy to reuse, it is not that easy to reuse. Although even if you are having it as a separate component and you are having some other applications also using it, so this jar needs to be modified for the new algorithm and it needs to be shipped to all the clients that are using this jar, all the client applications. Easy to maintain, it is not that easy. We will shortly discussing all these points when we understand this strategy properly, and we will compare how strategy will improve this particular scenario. In our current code that we just saw, we are not that easy to expand, test, reuse and maintain. Let's see this strategy. Strategy is a behavioral pattern that groups several algorithms in a single